Hi everyone, welcome back for another Feast with Me video, and if you're new here, welcome. First off, I'm going to be starting off my feast day with some productivity, and these are the products I use for an early morning shower routine. I scrubbed, washed, and lotioned myself as I'm trying to use up some of my body products. At this point, it's around 9:41 a.m. and I decided I wanted to do a hot oil treatment just to treat my hair and also make some coffee. I use Nescafe's instant coffee in Colombian roast. And for my hot oil treatment, I'll be using Camille Rose's cocoa nibs and honey growth serum, which is full of Ayurvedic herbs for hair growth. I like to keep my ears busy with a good podcast, and I'm listening to Swindled, which is all about con artists. Tell me down below, what's your favorite podcast? Before I start my chores for the day, I brush my teeth and I use a little bit of baking soda to get my teeth really glossy, shiny, and whiten them. If you know, you know. Do you see my arms? They are strictly from working at UPS. I just can't believe how pumped and jacked my arms are. It's a little self-conscious about them, but I've never been stronger, which is fun. Afterwards, I'm doing some skincare and I use the Bubbles cleanser on a little silicone scrub just to do some gentle cleansing to my face. I then follow up with Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser for a double cleanse without stripping my skin. Using a bit of warm water from the faucet, I get my hair a bit damp for the hot oil treatment, which has been sitting in hot water for about 10 minutes at that point. I apply it to my scalp with my head hanging down so all the oil reaches the ends and not the back of my neck. I've been loving hot oil treatments lately for shedding and increasing hair elasticity, manageability, shine, all of that. I'm going to let this hot oil treatment sink into my strands and do some housework. I'm going in with OxyClean to clean the shower and the bathtub. I trust it because it's killing germs. And for a bit of scent, I'm using Fabuloso in Ocean Paradise just to freshen up the bathroom and make it smell great. Whether it be a feast or a fast day, I love staying busy in order to keep my mind off food, keep my mind distracted, and off things that may trigger stress, and to get things done quickly and efficiently without being bogged down by a full stomach. My productivity today seems like I'm on a fast day, but of course, feast days are a great time to use that energy up on things that you need to do around the house or in your life. And focusing on the bathroom is a great way to use that energy. New podcast. I'm listening to Crime Junkies. I've been listening to Crime Junkies for over 2 years now, and hi, I'm Britt. If you know, you know. Let me know. Moving on to my bedroom, some laundry, and taking a quick hydration break. I like to take this time and just focus on clearing up my space. Having a very clean and orderly and organized space helps me focus. It lifts my mood. So I'm always making sure that my environment is as organized as I want my life. They should be a reflection. I realized I needed to make a supermarket run for the next day, so I was just taking a count of all the things I needed to pick up at Walmart, my go-to shopping spot. Just needed to re-up on some essentials. I finally finished making that coffee I had started earlier, and I'm adding some non-dairy creamer and 2 scoops of collagen to my coffee. I love collagen for increasing skin elasticity, joint lubrication, protein synthesis. Perfect if you're strength training. I have a link down below if you would like to shop. It's an affiliate link, and you'd be supporting me by shopping through that link. If not, I still highly recommend collagen, especially if you're 25 and older. Such a game changer. So it's after 11 a.m. and I'm finally starting breakfast. I decided I want some oats, so I'm using Quaker's old-fashioned oats. I add vanilla and a bit of cinnamon to my oats for some flavor. I'm adding a scoop of vegan vanilla protein powder to create protein oats. And I'm also adding a splash of almond milk to loosen my oatmeal. Tell me down below, do you like your oats thick or loose? I'm a loose oats girl. Thick oats make me gag. I'm finishing off my oats with coconut sugar, which is low glycemic. I just have it on hand, and that's what my mom uses. She's actually diabetic, and I actually quite like the flavor of coconut sugar. It might be my staple from now on. If you are sensitive to sugar, you do not have to follow my toppings, but I'm adding some glazed walnuts, a half a scoop of chunky peanut butter, and some chopped apples, along with a hefty sprinkle of omega-3 seed mix. This has flax, chia, and hemp seeds. This breakfast was very hearty and super satisfying. It lasted me 4 hours. And I love the apples inside this oatmeal. I don't use that usually, so it was definitely a happy surprise. Definitely give this mix a try if you haven't. Getting back to productivity, I'm just making my bed and putting away laundry. ended up doing some vacuuming, and my room is all tidy now, which makes me so much happier. I love a clean environment. Doing some cleaning up in the kitchen and just taking care of dishes. So at this point, a few hours has passed by. My oatmeal has worn off and it's time for lunch. I have 2 turkey burgers I left to thaw out, and now I'm gonna cook them. Just using a bit of Laurie's seasoning salt and a garlic and herb seasoning mix. Then I throw it in the oven. While that's cooking, I saw that my mom made some fried plantains and I helped myself, just as a little appetizer. I also decided to make a green drink. This is the Bloom Greens and Superfoods supplement. I absolutely love this product because it helps with digestion, it has probiotics, and it fights bloating. Plus, it helps strengthen my immunity with a blast of greens. This is a bit of an investment, but I never regret it because I have never been this regular since I've started drinking this daily, and my skin has looked so much brighter. I realized when you're more regular, your skin reflects that. Also took this time to get my daily supplements in. I'll be making a supplement collection video just to share with you all the supplements I own, which is a lot. Like, I'm the supplement queen, self-proclaimed. I also wanted to show you this ox bile supplement that's been helping me with my yellowing eyes and processing cholesterol. I just wanted to share with you this specific supplement that's been key in my supplement routine. Here's my lunch all done. I threw a turkey burger on a thin multigrain sandwich roll almost, and a bit of vegan mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, some pretzels, and pickles. Satisfying, and this is all I needed. So I decided to watch the Ricardos later on Amazon Prime and have my dinner. I had my favorite dish of all time, which is Jamaican stewed peas. It's basically a pea stew with coconut in the base. It's made with tiny little dumplings and served over a bed of white rice. Rice is life. I threw 2 more plantains on top and it was the perfect portion. And that's it. That is my productive feast day. I took care of all that I needed to while eating healthily and satisfying all my cravings. I hope you take the time to practice self-care, remain productive, lighten your environment, and get all that you need to accomplished. Remember to strive for progress, not perfection. This is a marathon, not a race, and your only competition is you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.